everybody. Happy Tuesday morning. So I just wanted to share with you that we have a new group challenge art Facebook page, and we have named it. It is Pouring in Harmony, and Brittany Gunner helped come up with that name, and it's a perfect name for us. And I will put a link in my description of our Facebook page. You can come join us over there. You can join us on the challenges if you wish. And we have all kinds of exciting things coming up, as well as stuff coming up on my channel. I will be doing an art auction next week, and we'll have the preview video with the contest rules. I'm having at least 3 or 4 different giveaways during the live. So I will have all that by the end of the week with previews of all the paintings and whatever else I decide to put on in there, jewelry, whatever. Before I get started on this, I want to show you the dried pieces from yesterday. Okay, this is what the oil burner turned out like. Hopefully the lighting's good enough that you can see that. It does still need to dry a little bit to take off the tape, but that is the dried piece for that. Turned out beautiful. And then this is the dried paint skin. I haven't lifted it up yet, but the dried paint skin, and you can really see the sparkle that I added to the pewter. It actually ran through some of the other colors, so this is going to be beautiful on different pieces I have planned. It's still wet in some spots where it was thicker. Okay, and then my other painting from yesterday was my attempt at the cloud effect that did not turn into a cloud effect, but it was awesome. And this is the dried piece for that. God, I really wish the lighting was better because the sparkle on this is amazing. You can kind of see it. Unfortunately, in this corner here, you can see a bug decided he wanted to go water skiing in the middle of the night. So I will touch that up because this one I want to resin. It's got so much sparkle and it is so pretty. So it will definitely get resined when it's that time. Okay, I also have a paint skin from that. So it's nice and sparkly too. Unfortunately, there was an incident with this one too. Some friends stopped by today, and the kid's like, "Oh, is it dry?" Put his hand right there in the corner, which is fine. It still looks cool, and it's paint skins I'm going to cut up for a bigger project, but it has got amazing sparkle as well. It's one of those ones that, had it been flawless, I would have just covered in resin and left it as a serving tray, because I love this piece. But it's okay, it's going to get cut up, made into other masterpieces. And, well, I'm out here with friends. People stopped by and bought a few paintings. I'm right down the road from the community pool in our neighborhood. We live in a housing tract, and the pool is 2 doors down from my house. We have 2 pools down there. So people are constantly walking by my house. And I had some ladies stop by and said, "Oh, what are you working on?" And they looked at the cups and the vases and everything and bought 3 or 4 paintings, 8 magnets, just a bunch of stuff. So it was an awesome day as far as that went. My morning didn't start off good, minus the ladies in the group all working together to get our page set up and everything. So that was a nice end to my evening. Okay, so we are doing a waterfall painting. Most of us have not done them before, or it has been such a long time. Like me, I know I've done one before that I used too much paint on, and it didn't end up looking like a waterfall, but it was still a cool painting. But that was like a 1.5 years ago, so it doesn't count. Some of us never even heard of one before. But Jean Marie picked it out. We decided we can use whatever colors we want. Just do your waterfall and see what you come up with. Oh, Sorry. I already filled up my cup. I am using basic white for around the edges if need be. And I have got Ice Blue Metallic by Craftsmart, Midnight Blue Metallic by Craftsmart, Pearl White by Craftsmart for inside the cup, Brilliant Blue by Liquitex Basics, Quercodone Magenta, that I say wrong every time, by Basics, and Rose Pink by Basics. So that is our colors. I loved that piece so much in the color combination that I wanted to do it on this too. I definitely have too much paint in my cup. I don't plan on using the whole thing. I have a second canvas set aside. So what it is you have your canvas on an incline, which I might want to incline more. I haven't decided. Sorry. But I don't want, maybe it'd be too much of an incline that way. We're going to start it that way and see. Let me bring that up just a touch more. There we go. And you do a tree ring. So, start right here. Yeah, it's definitely inclined too much. So let's let that down just a little bit and try again. I might have used too much navy. So you just do a tree ring and it just waterfalls down. Hope you can see that. I'm sorry about the lighting. I really need to start recording in the late afternoon. It's just the bugs were so bad earlier. Okay, I think we'll stop right there. Take the incline down a little. I'm going to torch it. Put some white around the edges. Okay, I think we can stop with the incline. There is no silicone in my cup or in my paints. There was something that could come in the bottom of my cup to help release paint. Okay, I still have some in there, so I can do my paint skins with it. And then we are going to put some white around the edges. That white seems way too thick. We'll just go with it. I have mosquitoes buzzing around me. I've got June bugs. Oh, Florida in the summertime or spring. It's the worst time of year. Okay. Let me go ahead and torch that one more time. And then we're just gonna tilt. I'm going to leave it like that and just touch up the white spots some. So let me do that, and then I will torch it and bring you in for a close-up, as well as add pictures at the end. Okay, I don't think that's what it's supposed to look like, but it's what we're gonna go with because it still looks awesome. So let me go ahead and torch it. Actually, I want to blow out this corner. And then this one a little bit. There, that looks better. Kind of want to do that corner now too, so I think I will. So you've got some white down here. There. I think that looks good. I do wish I would have added more of the navy and pink next to each other because I like the purple that it made, and less of the brilliant blue, but it still looks awesome. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me get a spot to move it to after I bring you in for a close-up. Okay, and like I said, I will post pictures at the end so you can get a better look of it. Please leave a comment below. I'm not sure if I told you, but the group has a lot of events coming up, so please stay posted. I will have the preview for my art auction next week by Thursday of this week, and it will have all the rules and requirements to enter my multiple giveaways, and then there will be an extra giveaway or two as well as the ones I'm going to post about during the live if you're there. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching and leaving comments. And I hope everybody is having a great start to their Tuesday. Take care. And I'm back. Since I had some paint left in my cup, I decided to pull out some CDs to paint over. Make a couple coasters or something out of them. So we're just gonna do like a ribbon pour over both of them. Stupid bugs. Sorry, I'm getting bugs flying at my face. Okay, let's torch it. Okay, there's one. Might can grab a couple more. Might as well, so we have a full set. There is two. And then let me grab another two. These back here. Sorry, my arm's in the way. Just tape off the bottoms real quick. The bottoms will be covered after it's all said and done, so not too worried about them being messy. Okay. Let me throw a little bit more paint in here now. Ice blue needs to be refilled, so forget that one. That should be plenty, I think. Just give it a swirl. Add a little bit more of the blue there at the bottom. Trying to get that lighter blue in there. Okay, that should be plenty of paint. I'm gonna torch them, move them around, and I will show you pictures of everything at the end as usual. Okay. Trying to get some of that extra paint off this one. Okay, so I am going to torch those and stay tuned for pictures. Thanks for tuning back in for a second. Okay, I just want to bring you in for a close-up on the painting. Sorry about the lighting again. And this is just from having a little bit of dimethicone at the bottom of the cup. I think I might try another one later in the afternoon, meaning Tuesday afternoon. It's Monday night right now. I love the navy with the pink. See how it made that purple right there? I love that. I love the corners. I don't love that. Okay, and then as I bring you over here, here is the coasters I used, or I made with leftover paint. Love that one. That one's pretty. That one not as pretty, but it's okay. And I love that one. That's the only one I'm not really excited about, but it's not bad. But they're not bad together, so I am still going to add pictures. I just wanted to show you a close-up of everything. Thanks again.